Hey everybody, this is just a video to guide you through the class on May 9th. I apologize I couldn't be with you this morning. And so here we're looking at the planner, and this is the new updated version of what you're going to be doing because I'm going to be gone. First of all, we'll push the test to Monday. It's just 3 sections, and one section is a front and back, but the other 2 are just 1 page each. So it's not a very long test overall. Our objective today is we're going to continue to work on improving our math skills. And so today is going to be a lot of review, but your iReady lessons will definitely be personalized for you. And our vocabulary objective is we will continue to practice the vocabulary from this chapter. And then we're also going to be using some vocabulary that we've been using all year. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do an activity called Math Mystery, Case of the Cursed Classroom. Now, you are welcome to work with a partner, a single partner, to help you complete this. Now, this is only depending on the sub. Depending on where you are, if you're in the comments because a bunch of people are gone, the person in charge may say, nope, you're working on your own. And if that's the case, you're working on your own. There's no coming back saying, well, Mr. Watoon said we could. Nope. Whatever the teacher says goes. So if you can work with a partner, fine. If not, you can definitely do this by yourself. So, Math Mystery, Case of the Cursed Classroom. This is what you're going to be doing. You should have a paper packet. It'll look like this in the front. It'll give you some background information. Read it, and it'll kind of set up the scenarios. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to figure out who done it. Yep, who done it. So this is the way it works. So for clue 1, you're going to have some problems, and then you're going to have boxes. It doesn't matter what page you're on. It's the same thing. So, for example, if I make this just a little bit larger so everybody can see it, I look right here. The first one was done for you. It says 15 over 20. So it wants you to reduce these fractions. It says crack the code by simplifying each fraction below. In other words, reduce them, simplify them. And when you simplify them, if you don't see the answer up here, you probably need to simplify it even more. So 15 over 20, I can reduce it to 3/4. Now notice there's a letter underneath it. So I go up above. Wherever there's a 3/4, I put an I. I put another I. So then I do the next one, and I put a J. Then I do the next one, and I put a W. So you're going to continue to do this over and over until you get everything done. Then what you'll do is you'll have a clue here. So you're going to do that for each of the pages. You know, here you're multiplying, find the answer, and an example was done for you. So 8/5 was used twice, so I put an O in there. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to be multiplying fractions in this one. Here you are going to be working with integers. Again, find the answer. Now, if you get an answer and your answer is not up above here at all, there's a good chance you did it wrong. So it's kind of like a little self-check. So you're going to do this for each of the clues. Now, how do the clues work? So if you remember this page right here, possible suspects, each page will give you a clue, and usually it'll tell you what to eliminate. So it says, use your answers to match and place the letters in the boxes to reveal a clue. Put the letter in every box that matches. So your clue might be whoever did the whatever was not large. And if that's your clue, you would just check off anything that says large. Another clue might be the culprit used, say, magic dust. So then if they use magic dust, now all of a sudden you narrowed it down to a few people, and then they continue to eliminate people until only one is left, and whatever one it is, nothing has eliminated them. So that's how you're going to complete the Math Mystery Case of the Cursed Classroom. Now, as you're doing this, take your time. It's not a race. Don't rush. You have an hour and a half to get this done. So work at a good pace to get it done, but you don't necessarily have to rush. Now, remember we talked about this in class yesterday. The iReady lessons or the alternatives are due tomorrow by the end of class. I'll be back later in the day, or should be back later in the day. So I am going to start to check these off, and these will be marked as missing if you didn't do them. So make sure you complete the iReady lessons. Remember, you should have 2 lessons, and if you're missing some from prior weeks, make sure you get those done as well. So if this will probably take you 45 minutes to an hour, maybe a little bit longer, whatever time you have left, finish up your iReady lessons. Now, if you're done with both, just work on some IXLs. Don't be a pain to whoever the sub is. Don't misbehave and whatnot. I'm hoping that no one gets written up, well, an office referral, but I'm also no one gets written up by the sub as saying this person misbehaved. So make sure you're keeping on pace, make sure you're getting stuff done, and you should be able to finish the math mystery. So, as always, let me know if you have any questions. You can email me. You can definitely see me later in the day because I should be back. Thanks. Good luck.